Want to make money online in 2025, but don't want to show your face? Good, because your camera-shy self is about to get rich. These 8 faceless niches are blowing up faster than your Wi-Fi when your mom starts microwaving soup. Hey legends! If you're tired of showing your face, or if your webcam makes you look like a potato with anxiety, this video is your golden ticket. I'll walk you through 8 niches where you can stay anonymous and still make serious cash online. Let's go. 1. Motivation and quotes niche. This niche is like caffeine for the soul. You post motivational quotes, success tips, millionaire mindsets, and boom, people follow like sheep chasing a golden shepherd. No face needed, just quotes and a good narrator voice. Monetize with affiliate links, books, courses. YouTube ad revenue, selling digital products, quote packs, wallpapers. 2. Health and wellness tips. You don't need to be a ripped Greek god, just post wellness hacks, gut health facts, and diet tricks with a robotic voice. People eat it up, pun intended, plus you can literally hide behind celery. Monetize with affiliate links, supplements, fitness gear, digital guides or courses, sponsorships from health brands. 3. Mind hacks and brain facts. If psychology facts get more likes than cat videos, you know it's profitable. You just post stuff like, did you know your brain can hold more data than Google, while playing lo-fi music? Monetize with affiliate links to brain-boosting supplements, selling digital journals or productivity planners, sponsorships from apps like Headway or Blinkist. 4. Side hustles and make money online. This one's hotter than crypto in 2021. Post slideshows or faceless voiceovers explaining how to flip items on eBay or how to earn $100 a day with AI. Just don't call yourself a guru, unless you want pitchforks. Monetize with affiliate links to tools, for example Canva, Shopify, digital products, guides, templates, course sales. 5. Animal and pet niche. People will literally subscribe to a YouTube channel run by a talking parrot. Just post cute animal videos, pet tips, or funny commentary. The pets do the work, you get the bag. Monetize with affiliate links to pet products, dropshipping pet merch, pet-themed printables, planners, trackers. 6. Book summaries and reviews. Why read 300 pages when a faceless YouTube channel can spoon-feed you the key points in 6 minutes? If you can say Chapter 1 changed my life with passion, you're golden. Monetize with Amazon affiliate links, premium summary PDFs, audiobook partnerships. 7. AI tools and tech reviews. This niche is so meta, we're using AI to talk about AI to people who'll use AI to get rich. Talk about the best AI tools, show demos, and add robotic music in the background. Monetize with affiliate links to AI software, tutorial books, sponsorships from AI startups. 8. Digital aesthetic and relaxation videos. This is just beautiful lo-fi vibes, slow zoom-ins of rainy windows, or 3 are looped fireplace clips. 0 talking, just vibes, you're basically getting paid to chill. Monetize with YouTube ad revenue. Affiliate links to music or ambience apps, digital aesthetics bundles, wallpapers, screensavers. So there you have it, 8 faceless niches that don't just protect your identity, they also protect your income goals from staying broke. Whether you're an introvert, an AI enthusiast, or just someone who hates their camera, there's a way to win in 2025. Smash that like button if you want more faceless money ideas. Subscribe and hit the bell so you don't miss what's next. And hey, drop a comment with which niche you're starting. See you at the top.